Throughout history, some weapons didn't just win battles, they changed the world. Let's take a look at 5 game-changing weapons that shaped history as we know it. First up, the longbow. This weapon redefined medieval warfare. In battles like Agincourt, English archers with longbows decimated heavily armored knights, proving that strategy and technology could overcome brute strength. Next, the cannon. During the siege of Constantinople in 1453, massive cannons brought down the mighty walls of the city, marking the end of the Byzantine Empire and the rise of gunpowder warfare. Then there's the iconic AK-47. Known for its simplicity and durability, it became the weapon of choice for countless nations, militias, and insurgent groups, making it one of the most influential firearms of all time. The most devastating weapon on this list? The atomic bomb. In 1945, the world entered the nuclear age when bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, ending World War II but ushering in a new era of global tension. And today we have drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have revolutionized modern warfare, allowing precision strikes without risking human pilots, but raising serious ethical and strategic questions. From bows and cannons to nuclear bombs and drones, these weapons didn't just change wars, they shaped history and the world we live in today. Which one do you think had the greatest impact? Let us know in the comments.